A lot of times we'll hear from job seekers, I've sent my resume into 200 different places. And we'll be like, oh yeah, that's your problem. We figured it out.
This is the kind of typical process for going about a job search. It is not the ideal process. It is frustrating and difficult. There are better ways to go about it.
And that's partly because the job search has changed fundamentally since the advent of the internet. And you're like, oh, well, the internet's been around for a while. But back in the day, people used to look for jobs in newspapers. And so it was limited in geography. It was limited to people looking at the job section in the newspaper. You heard about a lot of jobs through referrals. And so that part of the job search hasn't changed. But now instead of, knowing about local jobs in a local paper, you're seeing jobs posted all over the internet on all sorts of jobs boards. And so about 25% of jobs are posted online, and about 75% of people look for jobs online. The odds are not in your favor.
So really, anything you can do to change the process is going to be more beneficial to you than just submitting a resume.